Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a lovely rainy Monday day here in Darwin. We've just had a big storm come through. It's pretty much been raining solid now for a week. But if you're new to the channel, my name's Tony. Hello. Love slot cars, RCs, drones. The channel's called Tony Droney. I've got some new stickers made up too. I'll hopefully put a little copy of that up in the top corner and show you that. Also love to welcome the new channel sponsor, scalexseller.com. Great products. If you haven't been on board or been onto his website, guys, get on and check it out. He's got a great promotion going currently with the Club 25 membership. It's $55 a year. That gets you a custom little hat, coffee mug, stubby cooler, some stickers, and the best part of all, 10% off all car purchases for the year. So it's almost a no-brainer, guys. For you in WA, New Zealand, anywhere around Australia, Southern Hemisphere, I'd imagine even for you bloody international guys in America, like he has Tight Ass Tuesdays. He has some cars going for $30 Australian. So what's that, about $15, $18 US? So whack that on, check out his site, welcome him, leave a message on his page possibly, his Facebook, Instagram, all that sort of stuff. Give him a shout out, let him know that you've heard about him on the Tony Droney channel, that'd be great. But if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We're coming very close to 500 subscribers, guys, it's very exciting. Exciting things happening on the channel, sponsorship, we've had Ninco cars coming in galore. So today's video we're going to focus on these lovely two Lotus Elises, brand new Ninco sports range, and also I'll turn the camera around, it's lovely Monday here today, so we've had a wicked new parcel come in. We'll unbox that and we'll get these Lotus Elises out of the box, have a closer look at them, and get some laps on the track. I've had some great feedback from the guys around the world about the new layout, very positive. I love it. I'm really enjoying it. It's short and sweet, a little bit technical through some sections, and we've got sort of three little squirts. You've got a back straight down the back, you've got the sort of inner back straight down here, and then you've got the front straight coming around to the corner. And it really flows nicely, especially with the borders. You can really drift out them corners. But let me set you up on the tripod, guys, and we'll unbox this big package that's come from my good mate down in Melbourne, who was the instigator of all this shenanigans. He was the first guy to get me stuck on the Ninco bug. We're pretty much coming up near 1 year. I'll have to check on YouTube when I uploaded my first stock car video. But what's it now? February, coming up to Valentine's Day soon. And yeah, I think it was March. So we're almost up 1 year. This is my first year back into the hobby since a little kid. So subscribe, let's get into it. All right, let's reset. Let's get this up on the tripod. Alrighty, so we've done a little bit of repositioning. Yeah, as I said, it's come from Melbourne. Let's cut this little baby open. Very well wrapped. Oh, if you've been following me on the channel, guys, this particular video I uploaded a couple of months ago was the SCX off-road video. It's done extremely well. It's probably one of my most popular videos watched, the SCX off-road, and this is adding to that. If you can't see through the bubble wrap already, guys. Wow. So back a couple of months ago, this particular gentleman had two of these SCX off-road packs for sale. One was in a mint condition and one was just had slightly worse box. And I picked up the mint condition one, and some other fellow the sale fell through or something and he didn't end up buying it. So he offered it to me, and yes, I could not refuse. So we've got our second set of SCX off-road, guys. So we're going to be able to make a wicked SCX off-road setup now with two kits. Alright, let me just get this final bit of plastic off. We'll edit this out. We'll fast forward it. Don't want to cut the box. I love my boxes. But I've got the sharper knife today. That other knife is no good. Alright, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Oh, banging the camera. We're getting there. Oh my God. Is the camera still set up? Yes, it is. Oh my God. So that opens that away, is it? All right, are we upside down, Miss Jane? Upside down, Miss Jane. Spin her around. Get that out of the way. Oh, spin it. Spin it for the camera. Dropping other stuff. Oh my God, guys, look, we've got camels. Oh, wicked. Two more cars, the same as the other pack, which is unfortunate, but wicked as well. So we've got another Mitsubishi Pajero, or Frontero, I think they call them overseas. And I think it's a Touareg, the old Volkswagen Touareg. So we've got, what else are you giving me in here? German sand. Wow. Thank you, man. Oh. So yeah, guys, SCX off-road. This was one of the particular little pieces I was missing out of the last set, so thank you, Sam. That completes pretty much the last set. Oh, wow. So guys, we've got SCX, a big bundle. Let's get that aside. What's in this little bonus box? He told me he was giving me a bonus box. What do we got here? Oh, what? What the bloody hell? Oh, yep, cool. So there was a couple of pieces I was missing. What the fuck? Oh, I had that out. What the hell? This is the big magnetic racing control tower and crosswalk. Product number 006. Man, this thing weighs 5 kilo or more. Retails for $150. Look how many pieces are in that. That's the biggest magnetic racing kit I've seen. Oh my God, thank you, sir. That is a great donation to the channel. And we've got those bonus little SCX bits which already have the pre-drilled holes to put the obstacles on. All right, guys. So that's Monday's mail. Oh, look at that! Look what I just found. One of the mud guards from the car. Oh, what I'll do is I'll put that in my little Scalextric building. Any little loose parts, always chuck in my little old Scalextric building. Let me get that out of the way. Dudes. All right. Let's get into some Nincos. I don't think that's close enough, is it? All right, let's edit again. Chop that out. Guys, on the track today, this is from the 31 car Ninco haul that you've seen a couple of, what was it, last week? Early last week. I've been putting out a few videos lately, which is fun, great, I love it. So we've got two Lotus Elises out of that bundle. One black with yellow stripes, one bright orange with black stripes. All right, let's unbox. One seal still mint. Look at the rear wings on these guys. Oh, so this is a bit different. They got a bit of a screw thread. Wow, so this is a new Ninco chassis for me. That's the first time I've seen a Ninco come with a screw bolt going down through the bottom of the chassis. Let's have a look at that closer up. So yeah, there's a big threaded hole. And this has got this another new Ninco motor. An NC9 Sparker. 20,000 RPM. What have we got here? Angle winder. Oh, smooth as silk. Silky smooth. Oh my God, I hope that's coming up well on camera with my shaky hands. But that black, look at the big ass, look at the big wing mirrors. They're a little bit rubberized too, like the Audi, which is great. They're soft, but that rear wing, it's got a bit of give in it, so it's not that stiff brittle plastic. It's got a bit of give in it. Look at that from behind. Shout out to Pat. He loves looking at the rear end shots of a car. The detail on these Ninco Sports, got the Michelin tyres, lovely little deep dish mag wheels, lovely little delicate antenna, which I assume won't last too long. Got the, oh my God, have I had this out of camera shot all this time? My God, I hope not. So we've got the windscreen wiper going straight up the middle. Got a little fire extinguisher inside. The driver's got a wicked helmet on with flames. I don't know if that's coming up. If you can see the flames on the driver. We've got number 98. We've got a little tow hook here at the front. Oh my God, man. These Nincos. And look at this, the cut in of the chassis. That is sick. Angle winder, as I've said. All right, let's get the orange one out of the box. All right, cut the little stickers. I assume he's the same. Yep, little threaded screw. So yeah, I didn't show you the box actually, guys. Sorry. So they're officially licensed Lotus Elise, Exige GTS. Sorry, I should say, not an Elise, Exige. And this one's the quintessential. The orange one, and the black one was 50517 and 50518. Zagam and quintessential. Wow. Dudes, I am just in love with Ninco. Lovely antenna, flexible mirrors. That orange is just pop. It's like a KTM orange, really. Same driver, little fire extinguisher, little flames on the driver. This one's got the black rims. So we've got silver and black rims. Oh my God, angle winder. Oh, this one doesn't feel as smooth as the first guy. And they've got a magnet there in the back. So rear magnet. Little diffuser, exhaust tucked in behind that diffuser, lights, a little mesh in there. That is amazing detail for Ninco. Amazing, quintessential Ninco, I would say. Look at that, guys. Wow. All right, let's get these on the track, eh? Bear with me. Reposition. So let's turn that back on too, because we can get lap tracker going today. I haven't been so lazy, guys. So let's set up lap tracker quickly. Put that right there. Done. Done. Start. Alright, get the lovely Scale Exceller merchandise off the track. Wow, we're at 17 minutes on this video already. Sorry guys, appreciate if you're still watching. Like and subscribe. Let's go outside track, eh? Bind up a controller. Better bend up these braids a little bit so we get some sort of contact on the track. And let me get my oil. Start and stop that again. A little bit of oil on the braids, guys. Put that over there. Outside lane.
$22.51.
I think I bent those braids up a bit too much. Reposition.
11.29.
Alright, Lotus is off. Wow.
7.79.
Oh, they're grippy. That must be the Ninco Sports.
7.25.
Oh yeah.
6.83.
Straight out of the box, wicked. Running 11 volts on the track. Get down, buddy, get down. Yeah, 11 volts. Had the dog sitting up there and she's knocked the thing.
15.88. 5.79.
579 already.
5.79. 5.67. 7.25.
Oh, first crash. Rear wing, still good.
11.33.
No, oh, no breakages, wings, mirrors are still on. I was watching the bloody Tojo racing.
10.63.
Poor buggers broke a wing on the first lap. New Mercedes.
6.54.
Oh, very nice. Love the black rims with the Michelin.
6.50.
Riding looks sick. How about we get a few mobile laps with the orange, and then we'll swap over to the lovely Zagam black one.
16.88. 8.58. 7.54. 7.42. 7.46. 6.29.
Yeah, she's a ripper. Wow. That thing is a ripper. Oh my God. That is a sick Ninco for slot car, guys. All right, let's move over to the black Zagam. Hey, we'll put old Quintessential back on the track. We'll come over here to lap tracker. We'll stop and start again. We'll get you up on the tripod. Something like that. All right. Black Zagam Lotus Exige. I can't even say that word. Haven't even touched the braids.
24.21.
No oil. Hang on, we better chuck some oil on, otherwise Hub will bloody rip me a new one. A little bit of push up on the braids. God, they're clean and tidy braids. What have I done? What have I done, Tony? Oh, what have I done? Yeah, what have I done? There's a bit of plastic. Where has that come from? I just found this little bit of plastic inside the wheel well. Hey? I'll investigate that later, guys, and let yous know. Hang on. I've got plastic rattling around inside. Let's hit it. What the hell's going on here? Got broken plastic inside the chassis. Three screws, which is great. And there's another bit of plastic. That's an inner somewhere of something. Wow. Oh, it's those. It's those back ducts. It's these back ducts here falling out. Alright. Well, they're not essential for driving, so we'll whack it back together and we'll start ripping some laps. Alrighty. So yeah, take two. I've had those little back vents pop out. Still got them. Alright, track test on the Zagam. Alright. Bend up those braids a little bit.
211.0.
Alright, there we're going.
$10.96.
Alright, Zagam is on the track.
$15.21.
Tyres seem great.
6.42. 6.17.
Great times out of the box.
6.13. 5.79.
Wow, it's pulling good lap times already. So this is a part of the Ninco S Sports range. And this
10.46.
These are the first two cars I've had with this Sparker engine, Ninco NC9 Sparker engine motor.
11.13.
Absolutely sick.
6.13.
Yeah, they rip.
5.58.
Wow. Alright. Couple of little mobile laps and we'll wrap this video up. Thank you guys if you've been watching this far. Legends.
15.75. 7.33. 6.50. 6.50. 6.17. 5.58.
Oh, crashed her. Little D slot up the back corner. Oh, got to mention too in this video, guys. Thank you to Magnetic Racing. We've got down in the corner the Hughes Garage billboard, all complete. So I spray painted her in grey and a little bit of like a copper edging, all rattle can. So let's get back down here. Get our little thumbnail hopefully. that doesn't look good. So we got two wicked Lotuses, guys. Tell me which one's your favourite. The black Zagam or the quintessential orange? Alright, let's spin this camera around. Thanks guys for watching. We've got some wicked new SCX off-road. Going to be able to make a wicked setup with that. What else? And we got some more Ninco stuff coming soon. So let's stop lap tracker. And see you next video. Bye-bye.